Fleshing out your profile, Part 4. If you've come this far, you're doing really well. A single bee may look small and insignificant, but put them together in a collective, and not only do they become a force to be reckoned with, they also create one of nature's most delicious and healthy foods, honey. As you grow yourself in WeBuzz, know that each small action you take increases your online presence. The more platforms you're on, the more findable your brand becomes. Okay, bee pep talk over. Let's buzz on back to your profile. The final part of building your hexagon in the bee colony is the widgets. To get there, go to the top right-hand corner once more and use the drop-down menu to click on Settings. Once on the Settings page, fly over to the top left-hand corner and then scroll down to the Widgets settings, underneath Profile Settings, and click on it. A new drop-down menu appears. Click on About Me and start to input your info. Now you have already done this before, but this is another page where you can either reuse the same images and information or create new bee stuff. Upload a new photo or the existing one again. Fill in your name, describe your position, and add in your biography. While this may all seem a little repetitive and redundant, remember that you now have two places where your information appears, which doubles your findability online. Either cut and paste your existing info again, or get those creative bee juices flowing and come up with something new. Remember to save your changes. Next, add some skills. Have a bit of fun here. Remember, this is your brag space, where you get to share all of you with the world. Label your skills and give yourself a percentage on how skilled you would rate yourself to be. Then choose a skill bar color and add a few more skills when ready. The next section is Portfolio, where you can upload a sample of the honey projects you've been part of. Upload pictures of your products and services, and give your portfolio entries a title. For the next section, labeled Slideshow, upload some more pics so that you can showcase your business. These will appear next to each other. The system will assist you if the sizing of your images needs adjustment. A program like Canva can help you to create the size-appropriate images. For services, have some fun creating icons for each of the problem-solving solutions you offer to the world. Likewise, create an interesting title and then a description for each service. Make this slightly longer than the title to flesh out the services offered. Add a few more services until your list is looking nice and healthy. Next is projects. This could include feature projects or recent projects that you have done. Upload an appropriate image. If you have one, include a link to a website or social media page that showcases the best of you. Be sure to add a description about a particular project and then add a short category descriptor. Below that, add some tags that you would want to associate with each project. All of this helps to categorize your work so that you appear in more searches and so that people can find your work later. Remember to save. This is followed by quotes. No, not the estimate cost kind. Find someone who inspires you, and they will probably have said something that resonates powerfully with you. Go ahead and share it with the world. You can also upload images and memes. Include the name of the quote's originator. The next category is Link, where you can create links to your website or other important digital realms. Add an image if you like, and also a description of your link, such as whether this is your own website, a shared space, or perhaps a platform where you have some marketing mileage like a blog or a digital newspaper. You can also add video links under the Video tab. For example, you can promote your YouTube page. Include a title and a video descriptor, which you can either cut and paste from YouTube or be creative and try some fresh wording. Now that you're all done, go back up on the left-hand side of the page and click again on the profile icon to view your handiwork. You'll see your slideshow coming through at the top. Recent projects will appear below this. The About section will appear off to the right, all with their relevant images and tags. Below, you'll notice your skills bar showcasing and highlighting your unique skill set and your valuable contribution to the world. Below that is your portfolio with the products and services that you provide. This is followed by your favorite quotes and the list of services with icons. That's it! Your profile is looking great now, ready to serve as the world's window on you. From Mecca to Milan, from Montego Bay to Marrakesh, from Mogadishu to Melbourne, just imagine who's going to find you online and marvel at the wonder of you. You must have bees, actually butterflies, in your stomach from the buzz of it all. Take the rest of the day off.